Hi all. Today I have come here to talk about weight loss. I know you all must be seeing a lot of videos on YouTube. Lose 10 kgs in 10 days, lose 5 kgs in 10 days. You know something, to tell you the truth, এটা করা ভীষণ ডিফিকাল্ট। ইটস আ ভেরি ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট টাস্ক। যদি হয়েও যায়, আমি ধরে নিলাম আমি 10 দিনে ক্র্যাশ ডায়েট করে আই গো টাইট উইথ মাই ফুড, আই ডোন্ট ইট এনি অয়েলি ফুড, any fried food, I don't take sugar, I don't take potato, and I lose weight. But do you think that kind of loss of weight is good? आपको क्या लगता है, ये सही है क्या? मुझे तो नहीं लगता। तो हमने एक चीज़ सोचा है, आप और हम मिलके, both of us, you and I, we are going to try to lose weight. I think you all have become very very irritated. लोग बोलते होंगे ना आपको भी, मुझे तो बोलते हैं कि मोटा हो गई। Hey fatty, my husband, he keeps on calling me moti moti. So I have decided, let's take a decision, let's take up a challenge, and let's go ahead with something like, let us lose weight. Not only lose weight, एक चीज़ और समझना है हमें, हम लोग सिर्फ weight lose नहीं करेंगे. What are we going to do? We are also going to be fit. We are going to have our daily diet of food, and then only we are going to attain what we have decided. But then, one thing you must remember, everybody, if you are interested in knowing what we are going to do, obviously together from tomorrow onwards or from which day you decide, what we are going to do is, you have to subscribe, like, and share my channel so that others also know. And if you subscribe, you will be getting all my new updates of what kind of food I am eating, what kind of food I am cooking, how you can eat the same kind of food, and we are going to take up that challenge. So, I am hoping कि आप लोग सब सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, शेयर भी करेंगे, और लाइक तो आप पे निर्भर करते हैं। वीडियो देख लेना, फिर समझ में आ जाए तो ज़रूर लाइक भी कर देना अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो, ऑब्वियसली। और अगर आप मेरे साथ আপনারা যদি আমার সাথে রোগা হতে চান, আমার সাথে ওয়েট লস করতে চান, তাহলে প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটা ক্লিক করুন, তাহলে আপনারা নতুন নতুন ভিডিওসও দেখতে পাবেন। এবারে যেটাতে আমি যাব, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट। तो हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए पहले? फर्स्ट थिंग फॉरमोस्ट, फर्स्ट थिंग जो हम सुबह उठकर हर रोज करेंगे, एवरी डे, गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, गेट फ्रेश, and first thing we are going to check our weight. So एक काम करना सब लोग, या तो फिर मोबाइल में एक एक्सेल शीट बना लेना, or you can make a chart and write the date and the weight, so that you can keep a track of whether, even if you're losing 200 grams of weight loss is also a big thing. एक बात याद रखना, सबको बता दूं, हम लोग जब एक समोसा खा लेते हैं सोचते हैं अरे एक ही तो समोसा है, बात क्या है, 120 कैलोरीज, बहुत ही ज़्यादा है। तो हमें क्या करना है, what I have a plan which I'm going to work out with you all is, on a everyday basis we are going to follow a pattern. खाना क्या खाना है, কি খাবো, একদম ঘরে খাবার, মানে what we cook on our everyday basis, ভাত ডাল তরকারি, or if I am a non-veg, I'm a Bengali, so I love fish, chicken, everything we will have. And that's my promise. With that, we are going to lose weight. So we are going to do that. But at the same point of time, 3 things, 3 golden rules. Please, everybody remember. If we don't take those, I think that won't matter at all. I know it's very difficult. First thing is potato. Please remember, we are going to have everything else, but quantity very less. But what we are not going to have, the first golden rule of not having is potato. It's filled with carb. It doesn't give you much of any kind of vitamin, protein or anything. But I know we all love potatoes. মানে being a Bengali, আমি তো ভাবতেই পারি না, লাইক পটলের ডাল না খাবো আলু ছাড়া, even আলু সেদ্ধ মাখা with that ভাত and ডিম সেদ্ধ, I know it's you cannot just leave that, but then এই কষ্টটা তো করতেই হবে, and we all have to। आलू का पराठा no way, हाँ, please be careful। उसकी डिफरेंस पे एक ओट्स का रोटी खा लेते हैं ना, या तो फिर आटे का, So it's fine, you can have everything. I'm going to share everything with you. आपके साथ सब कुछ शेयर करना है, सब कुछ बोलना है, क्या मैं कर रही हूँ, क्या आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हैं, everything. We are going to do everything together, and we are going to prove to those who keep on telling us fatty, that yes, we can turn from flab to fab. So इसलिए मेरा जो वीडियो होगा सिर्फ वेट लॉस पे नहीं होगा. See, when we are losing weight, बहुत सारी चीज़ we have to keep in mind. See, our skin becomes dry. क्योंकि हम लोगों का खाने का जो पैटर्न है थोड़ा सा तो चेंज होगा. एकदम जो खाना खाते हैं वो तो नहीं खा सकते ना. So पहला मैंने गोल्डन रूल आपको बता दिया, नो पोटैटो. सेकेंड इज शुगर. कोई भी मिठाई मत खाइएगा भैया बहनों, सबको बता रहे हैं प्लीज मिठाई मत खाना. नो मिष्टी, नो रसगुल्ला, नो संदेश, नो नथिंग, नो शुगर. Sugar is the next thing which we all must leave. Third is the fried food, cold drinks, and all those fast foods. At least Monday to Saturday we can do that. Our aim will be Monday to Saturday, we keep a strict balanced diet. And on Sunday, what do? We have a cheat day. That also I'll tell you what we want to do on a cheat day. So, ये आपको लगेगा हाँ इतने देर तो तक तो बोल रही थी हाँ घर का खाना, अभी बोली ये मत खाना वो मत खाना. देखिए घर का खाना ही खाना है भैया. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, what it happens that whenever we go for a diet, oh God, I have to buy this protein bar, I have to buy this tryptin biscuit, I have to have a lot of these oats and this. No, not at all required. You have what you make in your house. आपकी मम्मी ने जो बनाया है, माँ जे बानिए छे, दीदी, बोन, वाइफ. Nowadays even husbands cook, so I have no issues, whoever is doing it. So घर का खाना और घरेर खाबार আমরা খাবো. So that is what is going to help us to lose our weight. So without much delay, without much talking, so let's start with our golden rule, which we are going to do a basic pattern which I will tell you now. So first thing what I told you, when you get up in the morning, you become fresh, you take a weight, and you are going to keep a chart of that, and that you will do every day you take a chart. Then there is a food pattern which you are going to follow, which I am going to tell you in our next video. In my next video I am going to talk about what are the kinds of food we are going to have. And the main thing, another thing which you will please remember, everybody, it's a request, at least 15 to 30 minutes of workout or walking is required. Otherwise we are not going to lose the kind of weight we are aiming. Finally, before I end my video, I must tell you one more thing is that when you are into this weight loss program, we are lucky that you are not, I'm sure you are not going out. Lucky or unlucky, whatever, we can take it. It's our opportunity actually, since we are staying home, a lot of us working from home. So what happens, we can follow this planned diet. Because when we are in a work field, हम लोग जब काम पे जाते हैं, that time what happens, we are always, it's a kind of, we are following a routine. So it's very difficult for us. I am a teacher. So if my routine says at 11 o'clock is the mid-morning, I have to take something, it's very difficult. I cannot come back from my class and take that. So that is not possible. So that is what we have the opportunity now. So we are going to use that opportunity. And I'm going to show you what kind of face packs you can use. All home remedies, nothing brought from the shops. So we are all going to use home remedies, whatever thing is present in our homes. So we are going to use that to enhance our cells. So we are going to become flab. From flab to fab. We are going to throw out that L from that word, and we are going to prove that we can be fab. So look forward. Let's see if we can do it, and we are going to do it. So let's keep up the work, and please do keep in touch with all my videos, and I'm hoping that we are going to have a very nice journey together. Thank you till we meet again next time.